Hello and welcome back to our English learning series. Today we have a new story for you. Are you ready to practice? Let's begin.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Green Garden Restaurant.
Good afternoon. Thank you.
Table for one?
Yes, please.
Please follow me. Here's your table.
This seat is fine. Thanks.
Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I'd like a glass of water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still water is okay.
Here's the menu. Take your time.
Thanks, I'll have a look.
Are you ready to order?
Almost. What do you recommend?
Our grilled chicken and vegetable pasta are very popular.
That sounds good. Is the chicken spicy?
Not really, but we can make it spicy if you like.
No, mild is fine. I'll take the grilled chicken.
Would you like any side dishes?
Yes, a small salad, please.
Any allergies I should know about?
No, I don't have any allergies.
Great. Your order will be ready in about 15 minutes.
No problem. I'm not in a hurry.
Here you go. Enjoy your meal.
Wow, it looks delicious.
How was everything?
It was really good. The chicken was very tender.
I'm glad you liked it. Would you like dessert?
I'm full, but maybe a coffee.
Sure, black or with milk.
Without milk, please.
Here's your coffee. Would you like the bill?
Yes, please.
The total is $12.50.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
You too. I'll come again.
Now, let's review the new words and phrases. New words. Recommend, to suggest something. Mild, not spicy. Tender, soft and easy to eat. Still water, water without gas. Sparkling water, water with gas. New phrases. Table for one, asking for one seat. I'm not in a hurry, I have time. Here you go, giving something. That sounds good, showing interest. I'm full, not hungry anymore. Great job listening. You learn new words. Listen again to remember more. See you next time. Please subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you.